Hey y'all, come on, let's make this cute and simple dress with me. First, you get a pattern. I just made mine from a sweatshirt that I liked. I just made it bigger. I know I wanted my sleeves a little drop, so I made that sleeve a little lower. Cut it out, put your fabric right size together, draw it, cut it out. You pin all the way down the parts you're gonna sew. Alright? You see how much bigger that dress is than me? You want your things bigger than you. And plus this is gonna be a little loose fitting. This is the actual top that I liked so much I decided to make a dress out of. So you can get whatever you like. If you bought a cute little outfit from whatever store, do it. Alright. Took a regular sweatshirt and cut these sleeves. I wanted bigger sleeves, so I cut it bigger sweatshirts. I mean bigger sleeves. A bigger pattern. I didn't have my ruler because I wasn't at home, so I used my next best thing. Anything you have with the straight edge will work. You don't have to be politically correct. Cut that thing right on out. That outfit I liked, I wanted to make sure the sleeve was as big or bigger than that. I actually made them bigger. Cause go big or go home. I made it also longer. How much longer? How much wider did I make it? Probably about the length of my hands. I'll show you guys. You see how my hand fit all the way across there? Extra space. That's from a regular sweatshirt. So you don't even need to buy a pattern. Everybody has a sweatshirt or a t-shirt that they can make a dress out of. Always put your fabric right sides together. Cut it out. Pin that sleeve all the way up, and then we're going to sew it together. Voila, magic. We sewed everything together, put a little collar on there, your cuffs on your sleeves, and this is just my rough draft. This is it before I put a hem in it, before I decorated it. It's cute like that, but I'm a little extra, so I always want a little extra. And I like shout, so I'm definitely going to make this thing shout. Let's see how it looks. You can tie a little bow around the waist if you like. That's kind of cute. Cute. You can wear it to church. You can wear it wherever you want. Work, date night. Not my style, but I'm ready for it to be cold, so I'm already ready. Like, yep. Made a big bow. You can put this bow anywhere. Front, back, side to side, sleeve, arm, wherever you want it. Just a cute little accessory. I like to make accessories with my clothes too because you can switch it up. You can wear it plain one day. You can wear the bow on front, the bow on sleeves. You can do what you want to do. I like that bow on the sleeves. I may do two. How extra is that? But that's not my final product. I like it on the shoulder too. Super cute. Where would you put it? Baby, I even put that thing on my head. I ain't no baby, but don't push me because it is so cute. Alright. Accessorize. I have my little butterflies that I put on. Look at that on the sleeves. Yeah, I think I wear it like this. How would you wear it? Let me know. Rate this thing from a 1 to a 10.